Rosie Faulkner is a confidence curator, empowerment strategist, and leading voice in helping women over 40 reclaim their self-esteem, identity, and style without tying their worth to the scale. Through her signature frameworks and transformative coaching, she empowers women to release body shame, rebuild confidence from the inside out, and step into a radiant, visible, unapologetic version of themselves at midlife and beyond. Rosie's work is rooted in her own journey. After entering her 40s and experiencing profound shifts in her body, she faced insecurities she never expected. Instead of shrinking, she chose to evolve, developing a powerful process that helped her accept her body exactly as it is and rebuild confidence that felt authentic, modern, and deeply self-honoring. Today, Rosie is recognized for her bold message: you don't need a smaller body to live a bigger life. She combines emotional intelligence, identity work, and intentional personal style to help women transform the way they see themselves and how they move through the world. Rosie has been featured on Fox 5, WUSA 9, The Washington Informer, Living Local DMV, Yes Honey, and other media platforms for her thought leadership on confidence, midlife reinvention, and body acceptance.